Last a long time. You're gonna freak him out.
Are you videoing? I got it. Hey, come back here. What's that? Oh, that's where his food is gonna be?
Yeah, where's that sponge?
I don't know. This is what I do in case it wakes up and climbs to the edge. My hand goes right here. Hey, Dad, where'd you put Mom's plate?
No, Sammy, where'd you put my plate? Where did you put the plate? Didn't you clear off the table?
No, but take a picture like that. Dad, I didn't touch your plate, Mom.
Did you put your plate on top of my plate, Dad?
Yes.
It's in the trash can.
That's funny. Hold on.
It's gotta be in the trash.
Where's the plate set? Where are the plates? No. It's in it. That's what we put that in the trash. That's good. I don't like the color. Come on, little guy. It's not very good. Get out. Now. Let's move the apples. Dad wants to see you, Kelvy. Perfect. I think we should move the shells to the back.
Just wherever. They like to climb over stuff, remember?
Why?
Where's yours, Sid?
Mine right here. Oh, yeah.
See, he likes to come out. Well, this one doesn't come.
Yes, he is. Oh, there's wet stuff.